In this video, we will learn how to delete iPhone messages. So let's begin.
So on iPhone, you can simply go and delete the iPhone message if you want to. First, go and simply open your iMessage app. Here we go. And here are two things. First is that you want to simply delete a single message, and the second is that you want to delete the whole conversation. So first I would delete a single message. For example, if I go and tap on this, and here is the last message that I want to delete, simply tap on it for a while until these options appear. So once these options appear, simply go and tap on more. Here we go. Now you can select multiple as well. So once you select multiple, you can delete the multiple as well. So simply go and tap on this bin icon at the bottom left and delete three messages. So they have been deleted. Now if you want to delete this whole conversation, you can simply go and swipe left on the conversation like this one. And here you can see delete. Tap on delete. And it says, would you like to delete this conversation? Tap on delete. And the whole conversation is deleted from your iPhone messages. So hope it has helped you in deleting the iPhone messages as well as the iPhone message conversations. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.